What's up, y'all? It's your boy More Wonders, and I'm gonna be doing a market analysis right now. This is my first one for the 2023 year, and I'm trying to get to doing these regularly. If you don't follow my Instagram, you probably don't know, but right now I am on a 25K challenge with the Funded Trader, and my goal is to pass this and pretty much change my life and everybody else's lives around me. So what I'm gonna do is more of like a daily accountability and hopefully give like knowledge to the people that watch my thing. So what we're gonna do is analyze the market. Today is Monday, September 11th, 2023. Remember 9/11. Thoughts and prayers go to everybody that was affected by the tragedy that happened. But right now, I'm gonna check what the market was doing and how it moved this morning. So the chart should be open on the left side of my screen here, and we're gonna check what's going on. So right now we're looking at AUD CAD. It looks like we got a slight retracement. If you check down here, it's oh, hello. This is our special guest. It's Boots with the fur, But she's gonna have to sit right here. She's always trying to steal the show. All right, so look, we got AUD CAD right here. As you can see, we have a major retracement from the 40. So this would be considered a class 2 retracement straight to the 800, which usually it would probably hit the gray, but as you can tell, we got a big push right through the 100. So AUD CAD retracement. So tomorrow we're gonna be looking at, well, all right, so after about 7-8 o'clock we're gonna check this again, and it should be a really nice push tomorrow. So here we go. AUD Chef, another huge retracement. Let's check the 4-hour back to the gray. This is also to the 40. I want you to notice a little trend here. Once we hit this 40, we pop back in and we hit back to the gray. So to people that may not be too familiar with the indicators I have on my chart, I am using a 5 EMA indicator, a 13 EMA indicator, a 50 EMA indicator, 100 EMA indicator, and a 800 EMA indicator. So these basically tell me the overall direction of where the market has been going and where it might go. So as you can tell, when we hit, so let me explain this. This is my trader dynamic indicator. So that basically tells you how much money is currently in the market right now and where the money is going. So as you can tell, these are different levels. If you're familiar with Fibonacci, you can kind of think of this as like Fibonacci levels. So once you hit these greens, you're looking at different retracements. A retracement is the when you pull opposite of the trend. So we see a huge, honestly, this is like a big retracement overall anyways. So the direction of this market right now is kind of giving me, reversal energy right now. So let's check the daily. The daily is still in retracement, so we might be pushing to 800. And I want you to hear the words that I'm choosing. It's always might, maybe, because everything's in probability. Really? I'm telling you, straight diva. I don't give her attention for a little bit, and now she's out knocking things over. But anyway, so during the daily, we are currently pushing back. And also, I didn't even explain these indicators. This is the moon cycles, because there is kind of a correlation between when the moon, what cycle the moon is and where the market is going. But I'm gonna keep these on wraps right now because they are kind of distracting. But anyways, yeah, you got a little peek of what I choose. You can go ahead and copy those if you like. They are very helpful. Oh, and the sessions, I'm so used to looking at these, I don't even check them most of the time. But yeah, the sessions, it's kind of self-explanatory. It tells you the different trading sessions. It's easier to visualize. But so right now we had a retracement during the Asian session over here. What the heck are you doing? Oh, okay, cool. Anyways, cool. So, we are checking the AUD chef. It's in retracement. It's honestly looking more of like a longer retracement that we should be expecting later. So, I personally don't trade counter trend, so I like to recognize that first and foremost. When I trade, I'm a trend trader. We are a surfer of the markets. We do not swim. We do not try to swim against the markets. So keep that in mind. All right, so we are on AUD JPY. We are finally. Let's check. So I'm gonna use this term for the first time in my vlog. This is finally an AGB. So aqua gray, dark blue, slightly, and this is a fat trend that's going to be happening here soon. It's breaking this consolidation right here, and now it has to break down this level to really hit this next take profit. Once it hits that take profit, then that's a new Lambo right there. That's a new Jag. That's a new Rolls Royce. So let's see. We definitely got to watch out with this bid. If you check these wicks right here, you can interpret that as, especially this one, you can interpret that as a decision. That is the banks getting together and finding out what to do with this pair. Who is going to win in this battle. We will sit back and watch because we are reaction traders. We're not predictors. I'm not looking through a crystal ball. I'm just walking through the door when it opens. So, all right, it is not completely AGB through each time frame. So that confirms my earlier suspicion on the 4 hour where it is just deciding. So AUD JPY, I'll keep that on the back burner, but it is not guaranteed right now. All right, so now AUD NZD, we have, let's check on the 4 AGB again, but again, it's just deciding, and as you can tell, this is in heavy consolidation anyways, and it's almost looking like a downtrend is appearing, but yeah, I wouldn't doubt that it could be a downtrend, because it is not an AGB. So AGB is the best confirmation in my strategy to go ahead and say it's in trend. So right now, I wouldn't say it's in trend. It's still in consolidation, which basically means it's figuring out what it wants out of life. Right now, AUD USD is downtrending. So we are gonna look at this right here, retracement, a little push, nothing too crazy. In fact, if we check down here, just got out the volatility bands. So these lines right here tell you there's a lot of money. So so the higher it expands, the more money you will get into the market. So that means you can get more pips and more respectable women. All right, so let's look. All right, so it hit this level of consolidation. Perfect, this line. So that is the first take profit. We'll see if it continues. I doubt it because it's hitting the most extreme you can hit on the 1 hour. So I'm gonna look at this tomorrow. This Is this one too? Yes, this one tomorrow. So we're gonna go ahead and put a golden opportunity. That's what I call those. Golden opportunities are pairs that are not an AGB, but me being a pro and a G, I would still hit them. I'd hit that, as they might say, as the kids might say, you know. AUD USD. Can you not do that? What? Are you gonna eat my chin? No. Come on, kid. Anyways, yeah. So we'll put that as a golden opportunity as well. Okay. So we're gonna cut. I think Kitty needs a break, and we're back. Cause yeah, love the cat to death, but she's not that good of a partner. Come on now. We're supposed to be building each other, not breaking each other down. Anyways, okay, so we're on, where are we at? GBP CAD. GBP CAD is in AGB on the 1 hour. Let's see if it's on the 15. It is on the 15. 1 hour. And 4 is not. Okay, so 4 is not AGB. And it's on the 40, so we might see a little retracement back up and down, but I don't really care. You're not trending, so I don't want you to. So we're gonna go ahead and go to the next one. Alright, so on the next one. Okay, so it was AGB yesterday, hence the red flag. But right now, it's not AGB, and Monday, so keep in mind, yes, this morning was Monday. It's still Monday, obviously, right now. And we're looking at retracements anyways because it needs liquidity for the entire week. So it has to find some way to get that. That's why I didn't even place any trades this morning, and that's why I'm starting at, in the middle of the day, because it's not worth my time right now. So I see this right here. It's not completely crossed, but it could be later on today. We've got a hit on the 60, so a hit on the 60 paired up with a shift could mean good green in our pocket. What is that? That is an MES. It's MES to the downside. All right, so MES paired with the cross, paired at the spot. We are looking at a class 2 entry right here. So this is a nice little entry, but I'm not putting my money yet because guess what? It's 12 o'clock and I don't work right now. All right, you're gonna pick up some boxes at your warehouse if you're not clocked in? Hell no, I'm not gonna pick up any trades right now. All right, because I'm a professional day trader. Now I got rules that I follow. So anyway, GBP Chef is a golden opportunity. But this is why, look at this. This is why I don't place a trade right now. It is on the 800. The 800 is basically like if you go to talk to a woman and then you gotta deal with the tank. You're a man, you know exactly who I'm talking about. And sometimes you gotta duck. Sometimes you gotta swerve. And sometimes it's best just to wait till she's distracted. And that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna wait till it gets through the 800 and then by about 5 a.m. or I even might consider checking at midnight because midnight to 2 a.m. might be the best route for this. So we have this golden opportunity right now. It's not AGB anymore, so we'll count it as a golden opportunity. All right, so JPY is not AGB right now, but it did retrace. I don't know what was going on with JPY pairs right now, but they all have this huge gap. That's a little too big for me, so I don't understand what happened because I don't like to read news. I am a professional day trader, but I'm also a lazy person. I don't want to do all that shit. Anyways, GBP JPY is not AGB. Let's check the daily. What is happening here? Okay, so the daily gives us a lot more information. It needed money. Its pockets were a little thin. It needed some cash, but we also are noticing that it's still downtrending. It's still downtrending. We had a huge hit on the 70 on the daily, and really, it did what it needed to do. It had to hit the aqua, but in reality, it really wants the gray. You know, it's dating the aqua right now, but it really wants to go tap that gray. So right now, I'm not gonna touch it because it doesn't have its life figured out. So I'm not even gonna try to figure it out for itself, So next one, GBP NZD. Let's see. Retracement to the 800 and AGB on the 15. Right now it hit that first TP. It is currently consolidating in these levels right here. So let's go back to the hourly. Yeah, it hit that first TP. It could go down more, but as I said before, I do not trade counter moves, so I don't really care what it's doing, to be honest. It does not interest me. Alrighty. Okay, this is something interesting. We have a retracement to the gray, hit the 40, so it could either stop on the 40, it could either stop on the aqua, go back down, or it can go through the 800. But as I said, it's pretty unlikely you can go through the 800. And on top of that, on the 4 hour, it's actually below the 800. So we are witnessing a newly formed downtrend on GBP USD. Right now, it's got to get its life a little bit more figured out before I decide anything with this, because as you can tell, the Traders Dynamic Index is telling me that it's got more room to push up. Not that much room because it actually hit its max volume for that day, and it's probably going to go back down. So let's see, check this 15. It is going to go back down currently, but it kind of stopped on this aqua here. So I don't care. It's not even my time to trade, so I'm just looking right now. I'm just being a helpful observer. And actually, as you can tell, the Scion right here, I predicted that it was going to go back up. I already knew it was going to go back up. I should have traded it, but you know, I don't do that. I don't trade like that, man. I don't do that. So, but I did predict it because I'm a fucking, delete that. Jesus. So, yeah. Alrighty, this is what I like to see. NZD tag is in AGB on the 1, the 4, and the so close, but it would still be considered a golden opportunity if it wasn't already hitting that volatility right there. So since it's hitting the volatility, I won't play it right now because it doesn't have room to go down. It needs to grab liquidity in order to break this level. That's what it looks like. It needs more money to break the level, but it also has room on the 1 hour. I wouldn't guarantee that. Wouldn't guarantee all that. Not really my cup of tea, if you would be so forward to say. So screw it, I'm not messing with that. We got a LO on the Aqua, which is a class 1 entry, but LLs are low probability trades, and I am a high probability, high value man. So I only want high value trades. So I'm gonna wait on that, but I will keep it AGB for now, even though on the 15 it's kind of playing. But I think tomorrow we have a nice little move, to say the least. NZD Chef is pulled back to the gray. It's kind of surprising to me, taking that it's been riding this middle part of the TDI, but it did pull back to the gray. hopefully it comes back down and we'll hit one of these levels, probably this level tomorrow. The price point is that is 0.52418. We will probably hit that price point tomorrow. So in fact, I will actually mark that as a golden opportunity, because it's not AGB, but it's also not totally not for me. I'm gonna figure something out with that. Anyways, NZD Chef done. NZD JPY is disgusting. I'm getting out of that. All right, NZD USD price points are falling at this point. This is a very important point of price action. It is currently all the way up in this volatility, and it stopped at this support of resistance and support, which is kind of a strange combination. So right now we are gonna watch NZD USD. It is not AGB, but as you can tell, it is a golden opportunity for me, and we will watch to see if it will give us an entry later on tonight or tomorrow morning. I believe it will, but I don't go off of what I believe, I go off of what I know. So we will just keep a lookout for it. XPX 500, I don't trade it, but I do like to look at it because it looks pretty. And oh my god, today it actually is hitting AGB on the 4 hour, and we got a point of take profit right here, and we got a nice little, what do we call it, a zero on the aqua. So that actually is looking pretty damn fine. I might take it for a ride, even though, you know, hopefully you're watching this. Oh, I thought this. Yeah, it's not AGB on that 1 hour. It's not AGB on the 15, but it is looking muy delicioso. And I might check it out. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. So 1-4 is looking, just the floor right now is looking delicioso. And it hits retracement on the daily. But this is the XPX 500. If you know anything about America right now, stocks are going down. So it's scamble. So I'm not gonna try yet till I know for certain that this is what I want to do. Is that what I think that is? That is a MES. It hasn't fully crossed. It hasn't fully crossed yet. So, but that could be pretty damn filling for my pockets, because they are looking light right now. So we're gonna put that as a golden opportunity. On to the next one, UK oil. UK oil is in consolidation and is currently staying in consolidation. As you can tell, I have a pink. So the pink for me means a retracement back to the downside. Let's see, we are in the 70s right here. So it needs to make a decision, and I need to make a decision quick because I'm hungry for it. And I haven't traded a commodity yet, but I'm currently doing my best to get used to looking at them, because I was only looking at currencies for the longest time, and it's time to get my big boy pants on. Alrighty, US 30 is on a uptrend. On the 15, on the 1 hour, it is looking like a retracement. And then on the 4 hour, it's looking like a downtrend. So that's why you gotta check everything. So if I was to put on my trader's goggles, I would say it needed liquidity in order to continue going up. And that is where I'm gonna stand on that one. So no down moves. It's not AGB on the 4, it's not AGB on the 1, and it's not AGB on the 15, so we're gonna walk away from that one. Alright, here we go. USD Brazilian is a fat retracement. Alright, and then on top of that, it's actually looking like a reversal, because it's currently buying real estate on top of this gray. But if we look right at this little twin brother on the left, kind of did the same thing. It actually broke through here, in fact. So I think we could be looking back at a downtrend. But we'll see. We'll see. I don't even trade USD again. But again, I want to look at it because it looks pretty. So, alright, cool. We will go to the next one. And as you can tell, this is about as much as we got left. So, we're already about 30 minutes in. 30 minutes in, look at that. So if you stay here the whole time, go ahead and hit a follow, hit a like. Hopefully I kept you guys entertained for the last 30 minutes. And we got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 more pairs to go. We'll go through them quickly and go through your day. Hopefully this helps. Hopefully you learned something new. Alright, USD CAD. USD CAD is currently on a retracement to this level of support, 1.25516. And it's using it as a support, but currently if you check these lines, it's going to tell you that it's actually still falling. But it hit the 30, in fact. Ooh, it hit the 30, so we could possibly be looking at a fat push back up to possibly this level right here, 1.365. Whatever, this little area right here. We could probably be looking back at that, because if you look, this is how I find my take profits. I look at where's the price stuck at. If it's stuck there, it's probably gonna get stuck there again. Be simple, stupid, and that's how you go. Don't try be like Dexter in his laboratory creating new methods and shit. Just fucking. Sorry, YouTube, don't cancel me. I want to make money from this. Just look at the charts. Come on now. It's stuck there. If it's stuck there one time, it's probably stuck there again. Like, if you get cheated on one time, you're probably getting cheated on again. Ugh. Got PTSD. Anyways, there you go. USD CAD. USD Chef didn't make a full return yet, but oh my goodness. And this is why I like this indicator, because it just straight up tells you, go ahead, try it, make some money. Look at that. That arrow is pointing right down, because boom, we got a cross, and we got a cross on the 60, and we got a MES, and it's on the 800, and it's on the 70. This is a nice little trade right here. USD Chef could be going for the sell. So I would definitely watch out for that tomorrow morning, or even at midnight tonight, or I guess that is tomorrow morning still. So yeah, right at midnight, opening up my charts, and I'm smacking that market. So go ahead and check that out. USD Chef, perfect opportunity. USD CNH, I don't know why I have this pair, but it did some crazy stuff today. And as I said in my little pink flag right here, it's in retracement. I knew it was going to be in retracement because I am a Forex professional. So retraced down to the aqua, actually a little bit past the aqua, but that's because, look, simple, easy, stupid. You just go to the points of price where it stops at. And in fact, you actually go to the prices where it stops at first, and then you go to the next one and breaks that, and then you go to the next one, and then you break this one, so you don't go to the next one. So, perfect. But I don't trade at this time. So that's the only thing about China, and I don't know why I have this pair anyways. I really don't, because I don't trade during the Asian session. So goodbye. Alrighty, USD Huff. I thought I deleted this one too, but I did not. But we'll look at it anyways. Good. It's in retracement, like I said. I'm gonna stop flexing on y'all, but you see the pattern. You see why I'm the guy you gotta listen to. Yeah, retracement. The reason why I know this is because when you hit these extreme levels in the TDI, it's almost guaranteed. Almost guaranteed. There's still slight percentage that it wouldn't go up, but that it would continue in this trend, but most likely it's gonna go down. Like to go. Anyways, 1 hour. Also in retracement, still continuing, but it's past the 40, so I wouldn't touch it with a long stick. We are going to look back at this pair soon because it possibly could hit back into the trend to the prime areas between the 50 and the 40, just crossed the aqua. And it's waking. It's waking right now, so it's like not committed to its full pattern trend move. Perfect. USD JPY. Also, I mean, it's like, come on, you've seen it. You know, back hitting the 70, went to the aqua. I mean, it actually hit the aqua a few times. And it doesn't really know what it wants to do yet. And I don't really care to play it yet until it gives me a trending move. Perfect. USD Mexican. Yeah, perfect little move right here. I honestly probably would touch this and do unspeakable things to this pair. USD Mexican is going down like USD Mexican is going down. Perfect. 1 hour, 4 hour. I'm thinking this thing is gonna go hit this price point because it already broke this pretty much. So we'll see how it goes with this price point, and then next one is this price point right here, and then I'm gonna count how many pips I am getting. That is about 1,500 micro pips, so about 15 pips. And then so hopefully it breaks through that price point, and if it does that, then we will hit. Let me see, right here. We'll hit that price point first, and then instead of 15 pips, we could go ahead and grab 35 pips. So perfect. USD THB. Alrighty. Slight retracement back down. It's hitting the volatility bands. It's looking to cross, but it may still go. Possible trending move here soon. I don't really trade this too often. I haven't traded it at all. I just actually got a new broker, new challenge, new company. So I'm getting introduced to all these exotic pairs that I haven't really even looked at before. So I'm excited. US oil is still in consolidation. But as you can see in the pink flag, I'm looking for a retracement on this. Fat retracement on this. And it's trending on the daily. So on the 4 hour, we're going to look for a retracement. So probably this level first. And this one is like crazy dips. If you know anything about trading commodities, this is crazy dips. Like that's exactly what it is. It's almost 4,400 pips. And it's a house. I could borrow my grandma a house with that shit. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. So perfect. XAG. Still looking for a retracement to the buy. It's all these metals and oils I'm noticing the trend has not moved at all. But tomorrow is probably going to be the day. So tomorrow I'm definitely waking up at 5, but I'm also thinking tomorrow I'm going to have to wake up at midnight first. Check it out because I'm pretty sure midnight is really when all this stuff is going to go crazy. The reason why I think that is when it doesn't hit anything during Monday is when it hits right at midnight. So definitely watch out for that. Okay, XAU was already, I mean, I didn't mark it anyways, so, but it's still like not doing anything that I want. So I don't care about it. Trending on silver. Silver is currently, I was looking to hit a retracement on the buy side. So that's what I hope for. It actually grabbed liquidity, grabbed a lot of liquidity right here. Boom, fat little liquidity bar. And now I think we have enough money for it to push to the buy. So we'll see a cross later on. As I said, probably around midnight. Yeah, so we just analyzed every pair that I have on my watch list. Maybe go on and send me a link to your watch list. Let's see what you guys are looking at. I'm just starting out on this. I got my feet on the ground. I hope I was able to entertain y'all for the last hour, 30 minutes. It's almost an hour now. So I am a 4-year trader. I've really not made too much profit. I haven't made much money. Still, down. But it's all changing this year. I feel it. I'm changing this year. So I will be doing a challenge for the next, couple years of my life. Gonna do these prop firms and growing accounts through them, and then funding my own personal accounts. And I hope to bring you all on my journey. This is day 1. No trades have been placed today. I have no results to show you right today, but tomorrow morning I will also be recording my entries. I'm going to try to screen record my MetaTrader so you can see exactly the price points that I'm placing and where I am at with this. So I'm going to try to give you as many details and nitty gritty, because when I am up and I'm riding in there rolls, I don't want y'all to say that I was giving this money, I was getting this through scams or anything. This is day 1, and you can tell that I am starting from nothing. Alright, so I appreciate you guys. If you guys stuck around, you are the GOAT. You are the chosen one. There's more wonders in this beast, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace.